welcome to my new video. So in this video, I will show you how I transfer a sweet Lolita dress to fancier Lolita dress. I will also try to put the clothes on. I'm not sure if it still fits me, but I just want to try it out since I finished the project. I actually started to transform this dress last year. I didn't finish it up until this year, so I'm very excited to share with you guys. I prefer more classic and fancier Lolita dress. Rococo style Lolita dress is my favorite. I also like a Victorian Lolita dress, also like the bridal Lolita dress, and also if you guys want to know how I transform the dress, also how to make a hair bow, I'll put the tutorial videos in the description box. And there are a lot of new videos on my second channel and on my Patreon. All the links are in the description box.